Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something genuinely different. Here is a quick look at all the finished cases I've made. Because let's be honest, most AI tools still feel like a guessing game. You regenerate, tweak prompts, hope for the best, and repeat. But this is one doesn't guess, it actually designs. I didn't expect an AI tool to replace my design workflow. But after using this for a week, I barely opened Photoshop. And no, this is not an AI art video. This is a real design workflow. Today I'll show you how I use Lovart AI to go from idea to ready to post visuals in just a few minutes. What is Lovart AI? Lovart isn't just another image generator. It is an AI design agent. Instead of stopping at image generation, Lovart completes the entire design workflow. Posters, social media visuals, campaign creatives, even premium e-commerce designs, all inside one interface. Now let's jump straight into the good part and look at some real design cases. For the first case, I'm creating a bold brand key visual. I start with a simple idea: brand mood, color direction, and message. Lovart doesn't just throw out a random image. It builds a composition, typography, and balance together. Now here is where it gets interesting. I have text edit. I select the text, click change, and change it exactly as I want, and that's it. No recreation, no messed up. The text is rewritten naturally, as if meticulously crafted by a real design. That alone makes it feel different from most AI tools. For the second case, I'm going more cinematic and slightly surreal. The image looks great, but I want a stronger lighting in one specific area, and have touch edit. I CM the click, set a real click directly on the light source and adjust it. Only that part changes, the composition stays intact. This is where you realize Lovart doesn't just generate, it edits. This third example is made for social media, something playful, stroke stopping, but still clean and intentional. There is one object I want to tweak. I select that element and adjust its size, position, and detail. Again, the whole image doesn't result. Only the element I touched changes. That's how designers actually work. The final case is an e-commerce product visual. I already have a base image, but I want it to feel more premium. Lighting, shadows, and surface details are refined using Lovart. The result looks polished, professional, and ad-ready. And honestly, this would be painful to do manually. This is where Lovart really shines. It's not just about good visuals, it's about speed. One idea, multiple high-quality outputs, ready for different platforms. Instead of recreating designs for every channel, I adapt them inside the same workflow. Less effort, more content, and better consistency. Most AI tools say, here are some actions, pick one. Lovart say, tell me what you want to change, let's fix it. That's the key difference. This isn't AI art, this is an actual design tool. If you want to try Lovart yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. And don't forget to check out Lovart AI on social platforms. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this kind of practical real-world AI tool breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and take care.